What's going on? Dustin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke on this beautiful fall day, guys. Right behind me I have a beautiful trailer that I can't wait to show you. What I have here is a 2023 Heartland Mallard M335 is the model number, guys. This is a huge couples trailer, tons of space in here. We are prepped on the slides for the slide toppers. Huge dual axles right there. We do have a nice large awning with 2 exterior speakers, some solid steps to get in, and come on up here, guys. Check this out. Oh, should I also mention power jacks front and back? Right in here, large pass-through storage. We got our solar charge controller in there and some lights, and there's a light switch over there as well for your front cap lights. Check these out. Beautiful. Power tongue jack up front. This is really a nice trailer. Come on inside, guys. Let's check it out. It's just inside the door of this Mallard. All of your unit controls are right here. Awning functions and these 2 slide outs here. Just to my right, a nice little storage area. I mean, I'd put some shoes in there. Probably get a nice window. I don't know, maybe your keys. And then actually that's just a mirror. I almost went to open that, but back this way into the kitchen we have a beautiful coffee nook. Tons of space up above up there for your cups and whatnot. Some more storage drawers down below. And our furnace and AC controls are right here, guys. Huge island. Love the size of this island. We got an outlet right here. Nice large sink. Spot for a garbage can down below, of course. Some more cutlery drawers and utensil drawers and manual drawer. Over here, Dometic fridge. It is running on gas and electric, which we love to see. And take a look up, guys. All the lights in the ceiling. Super awesome. Ducted AC through it. And this kind of reminds me of a Newmar. Look in the styles. LED backlit styles. Very well done. Now, pantry area. Do have some more little storage areas. I don't know, hide the snacks from the kids or something like that, I guess. Spot for your pots and your pans. Tons of counter space around your prep area, or cook area, I guess I should say. 3-burner cooktop with a very nice size oven. Down below that, another little storage hatch, range hood, and a good sized microwave. Where are we going to put our spices? Right here's where we're going to put our spices. Now, in the entertainment area, we have a beautiful fireplace down below that will throw out some heat on those chilly nights. Spot we can put a TV here. Never has had one, but boom. It's a rainy day. You know, the kids can't play outside. You can actually put your Xboxes or any game systems like that back in behind, and you can fish them through here and plug them into the TV. Really nice and well thought. I really like that. Some more storage up above. Probably use that for some family games or something. And then this couch right here will pull out into a bed. Storage hatches on either side. Great for kids' toys, I would imagine. And up top, all kinds more. If you're looking for storage, guys, this unit has it. Now, theater seating's right across here. They do recline. And you got a remote storage right there in the middle. Great. Really nice feature there. Windows wrap around that, so you get tons of light coming in here. 4 chairs with a table. Love this setup. Gives you a little bit more space than a dinette. And then back up this way, guys. Again, LED lights in the styles. Very nicely done. Back up this way, we come up into our bathroom, which I'm going to let you guys come in here. Oh, and I'm going to back into a wall. Come on in. Close the door. And that's where we'll put all of our linens and or our towels and face cloths. We have a very nice glass doors on it. Extra headroom right there from that skylight. And then a beautiful vent right up there where we want it. Now, nice size vanity. Tons of space for your toothbrushes. All that fun stuff. Down below, some more storage. And a friggin' medicine cabinet. Check that out. And there's a lot of space around the toilet too. So no issue here being cramped up. King size bed up next, guys. And we're about to get to one of my favorite features. King size bed. Super, super comfy. Tons of storage there. You also do have the end tables there, which are good for phone charging or a cup of water or something like that. Tons of dresser space. We got 6 drawers, and then up here we have some more storage with our TV backer location. Now, before I get to my favorite part, up underneath the bed storage as well, you're storing tons of blankets in there, guys. Sleeping bags, all that fun stuff. Check this puppy out. This is pretty much a bunk room, I would say. Look at that. You'd almost put a twin-size mattress in there, or a washer and dryer if you intend on living in this thing. But folks, this is a beautiful unit. If you like this unit, come on down to Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke to check it out for yourselves. And don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.